Hello everyone, welcome back to Mathematics Pro. So today we are going to study about surd. So before we study surd, it's preferable for us to look at square root of perfect numbers. For example, we know that the square root of 100 is 10 because 100 is the same as 10 times 10. So the square root of 100 is 10. The square root of 4 will give us 2 because 4 is 2 times 2. And the square root of 9. 81 will give us 9. So these are square root of perfect square. So it's better for you to know all the square root of perfect square in order to study surd. So if I write like the square root of 36, right? 36 is the same as 6 times 6. So the square root of 36 is 6. Okay, now if we look at the square root of 2, if you use your calculator, it's going to give you 1.4142 and so on. So this is a surd. So a surd are square root numbers that cannot be simplified as a whole number. So this number cannot be simplified as a whole number. So these are square root of perfect square numbers. So here we have whole numbers. Having the square root of perfect square number is very important when simplifying surd. So before we start simplifying, like number 1, we have the square root of 8. 8 is a surd. I said we should think of perfect square numbers first. It's very important. Okay, so example, if I want to simplify the square root of 100. 100 is a perfect square. I said before it's 10, but still 100 can be written as 25 times 4, root 25 times root 4. So the square root of 25 will give us 5 times the square root of 4 will give us 2, which is still 10. So we can simplify this as multiples of multiples of 100. The multiples of 100 which are perfect square we have 25 and we have 4. So this can be written in this form. So if we move further to go straight to our question, so the first one we have root 8. So let's simplify root 8 as a surd. So 8 will be, we use 4 times 2 because 4 is a perfect square. So we can say we write this as root 4 times root 2. What is the square root of 4 is 2. So we have 2. Then we'll be left with root 2 because we can't simplify root 2 further. So this is our answer, 2 root 2. Let us look at example 2, which is 200. So for 200, if we think of 100 times 2, because 100 is a perfect square, always look multiple that involve perfect square. So this will give us the square root of 100 times the square root of 2, because 100 is 200 is 100 times 2. So 100, the square root of 100 is 10. So we have 10 root 2. So this is our answer. So thanks for watching.